Hello everyone, I'm Kanan, and today I'm going to show you how to make flaps on your plane. It helps control your plane a little bit better. And this is a plane that I'm fixing to show you how to do, so keep a lookout, and I'm fixing to make a video on how to build this plane. But see these flaps? I don't know if you can see them, but right here, there's one here and one. What they do is they help you get your plane to go a certain direction. Today I'm going to show you how to make them and what they do, and what if the flaps one up, if one is up and one is down, then it would kind of do a circle like this, which I'll try to show you. This is a small room, like that. And if they're both down, then it will kind of drift up. Down, sorry, I got a little bit mixed up. Yeah, I think it's down. Sorry. And then up. Which is pretty cool in controlling how your plane works. It's pretty neat. And today I'm going to show you how to make them, which is pretty simple. I got this plane, it's a hammerhead plane. I'll put the link in the description on how to make this, and also on this one too. So, here we go. What you need is scissors, or you can just tear it. Kind of make a pretty big flap, about the size of a square on both sides. Which this is pretty easy. I thought I would show you how to do it, and what you need to do is just kind of bend them up, down, so this will take the plane up. It doesn't work well on the hammerhead plane, but it is very acrobatic sometimes. But last time I recorded how to make it, it didn't do very well, so I'm going to try to throw it again with the flaps. And it does that every time. So let's try to make the flaps like this. And the flaps don't do very well on the hammerhead, but it works very good on this one. It's called the Emerald. I haven't made the video yet, as I said. But thanks for watching, and check out my channel. Thanks.